Hey guys, so we are doing a neutral makeup look today because not everybody loves color. I personally do. My Profusion Apple Bobbing Lip Mask from the Halloween Peanuts collection. Hard Candy Milk and Cookies Primer from the Girl Scouts collection that just came out. Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation in shade 115. My new Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer in shade 1C. This is magic, you guys. If you didn't see the video where I showed this, it was yesterday's video. This is amazing, worth every penny. Essence Flawless Skin Trio Loose Setting Powder. Just got that too and used that in yesterday's video if you want to see that. Contoured my face with e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand in Fair/Light, and did my brows with NYX Lift Snatch Brow Tint Pen in Ash Brown. Okay, let's take it from there. The first product I'm going to use is something that I bought, I don't know, a week ago or so and haven't had a chance to use it yet. This is the MCoBeauty Soft Matte Beauty Wand Cosmopolitan Blush. Okay, for anybody that buys this blush, I just struggled with this forever, and then all of a sudden I saw a little arrow on the side there. So you have to like push or unscrew the top up just a little bit, otherwise nothing will come out. And I guess they did that so that it wouldn't, too much wouldn't come out at a time. So, okay, I need a brush. For sanitary purposes, I don't want to put the applicator directly on my face, so I'm going to take some onto a brush and do it that way. So it's like a peach coral type shade. That is pretty and very natural looking. All right, let's squeeze up just a tiny bit more. And do the other side. Very nice. Very pretty. Okay, now I gotta screw it back down again so that it doesn't all come out in the cat. But yeah, I had to edit that part of the video out because I sat there forever trying to squeeze it and it was ridiculous. Okay, so for a highlight today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lumi Le Glace in the shade Glassy Pearl. You know, I've played around with this so much, and I'm not getting the results that I've seen other people get. So I'm going to draw a line across and then blend it with my fingers. But yeah, I'm just not seeing anything really. I think it could be my lighting, I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't see anything there. What if I take some on my finger like that? Okay, now I'm seeing it. Wow. So you have to use a lot. And I have fair skin too, so can you imagine how much someone else might need? I'm still not really seeing much, but probably if I went outside in natural light, maybe that would be a different story. All right, I'm going to use one of my Hard Candy Moods liquid shadows. This is in the shade Halo, so this is like a beige or a pale gold. So I'm going to use this. Oh, and I do have a little bit of concealer in my eye area because that purple look that I did yesterday, I got a little bit of staining with that. So I tried a couple different cleansers, but I still had some left behind. Okay, so this is just, yeah, a very, very light color. So this is our eyeshadow base. This does not need any kind of a primer because it more or less is my primer. And we're just going to do one eye at a time as usual to save time. So I'm just blending that out with my finger. And we're also going to use the Hard Candy Moods Liquid Shadow in Rich. And this is a deep, dark chocolate brown. And this is just going to go in the outer corner, just a little bit in this outside area. And I'm doing the outer part of the lid. Trust the process, you guys. I know this is gonna look like messy and probably thinking, what in the world is she doing? Okay, so that's all we're gonna do there. Now we are going to take a Q-tip and just clean up the edge before it dries down completely of the area where I went outside what I wanted it to go. All right, now we're going to use the Hard Candy Moods palette in Bare, and this is just a nice neutral with a brown, a gold, a beige, and a light gold. And it would help if I had some eyeshadow brushes in front of me. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a blending brush, and I'm going to start with this camel colored shade first. Pick up some product on my brush, and we're going to do that in the crease. And we're going to go like 3/4 of the way across, I would say. Just like that. And then blend it upwards just a tiny bit. Like so. Okay, now we're going to flip this brush over. It's a double-sided brush. And we're going to go into the sparkly gold color. And we're going to put that on the lid. And I'm going to need more brushes. Okay. So I'm just going to take a small brush now and go into the shade at the beginning, the light gold. And we're going to go right across the brow bone. And we're going to do the inner corner. And now I'm going to take another brush. This is like a small to medium size fluffy brush. And we're going to go into that chocolate brown color at the end. And we're going to go right on the outer part of the lid and the outer corner. Okay, so at that point in the video, I just, blended a little bit more, curled my lashes, put on my CoverGirl Lashblast Supercloud Mascara. I used LA Girl Gel Lip Liner in Melon and the MCoBeauty Bouncy Jelly Tint in Coral Pop and the Profusion Casper, the Friendly Ghost Blissed Out Setting Spray from the Casper collection. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.